Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to make a payment for Roblox Premium and it shows this purchase was not completed. So one more time I try to check it, but again it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, force close this Roblox mobile app and then try to set up your Google Play Store payment method. So by simply open the Google Play Store mobile app. So now in this section you can press your Gmail profile picture icon and go to payments and subscriptions. So next I try to access payment methods. So here it shows me all linked payment details, but if you did not link any payment methods, just press add credit or debit card and it asks for my card details, so just put it. But due to the security reason, my screen recorder does not capture this section, so you can set up your payment details. So once you've done these processes, unclose this Play Store. And one more time I try to open the Roblox mobile app and then I try to make a payment for Roblox Premium. But friends, now this time you can see my Roblox Premium is successfully activated. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.